Hello and welcome back to another random review and how-to. Today we're going to be fixing the closet door. So if you have sliding doors like this, you can see this door slides. There's a couple things, components in here. One, you have this track, it's hard to see in there. But you have this track component that slides down. One issue we had when we moved into this house is there was a screw here, and for whatever reason this screw is very loose. Every time we close this it would hit it, and we would just, my kids are using it, so they just force it. The other thing that happened is the door, there's a door, actually fell off of the track. These two screw holes up here, you can see they just got stripped. So the weight of the door came off, pulled them right out. And so this little thing stuck up here, and looking at it, I'm trying to figure out, I'm like, I don't know how the heck they even got this in here. Well, you start tinkering with it, you can pull this little latch if your door looks like this in your closet. So your closet door falls off the track, you pull this, and then this pushes up and slides right out. And now you see there, you have the little peg that goes up in there. So once I screw this back into the top of the door, I can actually just put it up there. You push up, pull it, you kind of feel it go in, and then you lock that into place with that, so then it doesn't move. Really nice, pretty neat little design for these things. So that's how to easily get this piece off. So all I'm gonna do is put this piece back on there like so. And I got some longer screws I'm going to use, and put a little wood glue in there just to hold it for a good measure. That's the other little peg on top there. So you can see that that's spring loaded, so that